So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to connect your Google Calendar with your Zoho CRM account. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select the first website, log into your account right here, and after that select this profile icon. Now go with this option called Access Zoho CRM. After coming on the home page, select this settings icon, go with this Google option, select on this section called calendar, and now select this button right here. Now select your account and scroll down and select this button right here. And now select these details right here, and after selecting these details you just need to click on the save button right here. And now guys, you have successfully connected your Google Calendar with your Zoho CRM account. So that's how you guys can able to connect your Google Calendar with your Zoho CRM account. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.